recording this. I just clicked on space. I'm on my computer and I'm fucking recording this Twitch. Holy shit. That's such a... Oh my god. I'm gonna get an intercept no matter what it takes. I'm... Guys, there's a debris ball on this thing. Hey, can you survive underground? Is it open to the public? Oh, fuck. Guys, I'm making like 25 miles per hour where I am. I'm about to enter Hazleton and get damage survey immediately. Do not go out or you're gonna die. I'm I'm getting 7 miles per hour where I am. Oh my god, this is the closest I've ever been. Oh my god! Hi Tibbs! Hi Tibbs! Oh my god. I'm about like 120 or something, I don't fuck. Deploy, 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 deploy. No! Not even where I am. I have the freaking parking brake enabled. Guys, that's the bomb genetic. Dead. No. Dude, you're gonna die if you get out. Um, um, to the point where it's like 15, 10, 9. Wanna join? Oh, at this point it's probably in, we want to say in, Texas. Oh yeah, when you get down to like low health, you're, oh. Pink TBS tornado. Yep. This is like a Mac. I'm on Mac. surveyed that thing, and I put on a freaking ain't your boat visible. Dude, I'm gonna send this footage directly to somebody. A PS? Hey guys, just to say, I'm just gonna put this down. Ain't your boat visible?
A tornado warning for Wadena County in north central Kisota.
We need to go south.
Weather spotters reported a tornado on the ground near.
Damage assessment in the freaking morning.
This tornadic storm will impact the following areas: Tenkiller, Welchtonville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors,
Wait, what's the story?
shelter and
Guys, that
protect
tornado
yourself
is on
from
CBS
flying
Take to
debris.
intercept.
No shelter is available. Lie flat on the nearest ditch or other low spot. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Hey, whose tip is this in the middle of nowhere? I'm about to take it for a joyride. Hey guys, you know there's a tip here. Whose tip is this? Guys, whose tip is this in the middle of nowhere? Guys, I'm just gonna get it down to again. Oh my god. Guys, do not drive over power lines or you're gonna suffer that, or you're gonna die. Yep. It got smacked. Hazleton is not gonna get a break in each server. Guys, the cape is weakening. Guys, the cape is weakening. Button is to acquire tornado warning. Tornado warning for Wadian County, North Central Cosita, Central Cosita, Wayne County, North Central. You put the weather spiders report a large and extremely dangerous tornado on the ground near Nateville, moving east 60 miles per hour per 60 miles per hour. This is dangerous to go. Beep beep. Guys, that one tornado is heading north now. Wait, did Tim Sinaris die naturally or cancer? Info. Oh, there, Bond. Is there, Bond? From that, this won't drop you in 10 hours. Oh my god! Guys, guys, everybody shut the fuck up. Everybody shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, okay? Max tunnel width on that one tornado is 1.1 miles wide. Second. And track length is 12.9. The other one is like max tunnel width. It is the third tornado. It's about 95 moons. Good. was not a bus. That was pure